Okay, chapter 7, number 2. Calculate the size of class interval of the data. Okay, so you need to list out the class interval. And then this is the frequency. Okay, so 5.5 to 10.5, so it's 6 to 10. Then here will be 11 to 15. Okay, because if you put lower upper boundary, here will be 5.5 lower boundary, upper boundary will be 10.5. So here 10.5, 15.5. That is why class interval is like this. Okay, then if you want to count the class interval, the size 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total is 5. So answer 5. Then number 3. The mean is given 17. What is the possible value of x and y? So how to find mean, average, everything add up. 14 plus 16 plus x plus y plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add up everything, you get this one equal to 17. So x plus y, add up, you will get 50. So 17 times 5. So you get x plus y equal to 85 minus 50. So you get 35. So which one is 35? Add 15 plus 20, you will get 35. So that is the possible one. Because this one you cannot get 35, cannot get 35, cannot get 35. So answer boy. Number 4. K is half of number of children age 6. So age 6 half, so K is half of 4. So it's 2. So K is 2. Then you say two children with age 5 and 7 registered. So age 5 from 11 at 1 and age 7 9 at 1. So you will get, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 4. Here it becomes 12, 4, 10, 2. Then want to find mean. Mean is this formula. This is x, f is frequency. So it's 4 plus 12, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 10, 7 plus 2, 8 over total 4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. So you get 186 over 32. Answer is 5.8125. So nearest answer, round off, is donkey. Okay, so we say calculate the interquartile range. So to find interquartile range is this is number 5, Q3 minus Q1. So you need to find first quarter and third quarter. So first quarter is 1 over 4 times total 20. Third quarter is 3 over 4 times 20. So we'll get 5. Here we'll get 15. So 5, this is 5. Put the line. Then go down. So here is Q1. So calculate 39.5, 40.5, 41.5, 42.5, 43.5, 44.5, 45.5, 46.5, 47.5, 48.5, 49.5. So here will be 43.5. Okay. Then this one, Q3, 15 is here. Okay, Q3 is straight away 59.5. So 59.5. Then answer is 59.5 minus 43.5. So using calculator, I get 16. So answer C. Okay, number 1, lower limit. Lower limit is 4. Upper limit is 7. So it's 8, 11, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27. Then midpoint 4 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, so 4 plus 7 equal first, then divide 2. So you get 5.5. Here also same, also add up, divide by 2. 9.5, 13.5, 17.5, 21.5, 25.5. Lower boundary, upper boundary. So 7 and 8 boundary, 7.5 or 7 plus 8 divided by 2 also same. Then divide 2, get 7.5. Between 7 and 8, 7.5. Between 11 and 12, 11.5. 15.5. 19.5. 23.5. So here 27.5. Then here 4. Before that is 3.5. Here is 7.5, 11.5, 15.5, 13.5, 23.5. So how to get cumulative frequency from frequency? Here is 12, 12. 12 plus 15, 27. 12 plus 15 plus 20, 47. 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 22, 69. Then plus 18, 87. Then plus 13, 100. Okay. Then we look here, want to construct a cumulative histogram. Okay, so before you want to construct a cumulative frequency, you need to view a cumulative frequency table. Okay, so cumulative frequency table for cumulative histogram and OGIF, same method. you need to have cumulative frequency and upper boundary. Okay, so let me explain. This is histogram. This is a frequency polygon. Histogram is like this. Go up, go down, go up. Okay, this is frequency. So usually they will need the table is frequency table, class interval, frequency, midpoint. Okay, this one midpoint, middle, midpoint. Here midpoint. Here also midpoint, because same. This one also midpoint, midpoint. Straight line using ruler. Must always touch the x-axis, also midpoint. That is frequency table. Frequency table. If cumulative frequency table, of course they will give you class interval and frequency. So you need to add upper boundary and also cumulative frequency. This one for octave and also his cumulative histogram. Same like histogram but cumulative. That means here must be cumulative frequency. Here also cumulative frequency. Here will be upper boundary from here. Upper boundary. So here will be upper boundary. Must touch x-axis like this. Here also actually is the same thing, but without this one. So it's like this, going up. So you must use the upper boundary here. Don't use midpoint anymore. Okay, here you need to construct upper boundary and cumulative frequency. Okay, this upper upper boundary 5 and 6, 5.5, 10.5, 15.5, 20.5, 25.5, 13.5. Here is 3. Here is 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 plus 8, 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2. Okay. Then you need to draw cumulative frequency. This scale not given, so you can draw your own scale. Okay, so I can draw, start with upper boundary. Okay, upper boundary. And here will be cumulative frequency. Okay, then maximum 25, so you can start 5, 10. Here's 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Bigger better. Okay, you can put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 also can. Okay, then start with 5.5. So upper boundary 5.5 is here, so must always got another one 0.5 where the frequency is 0. Here is 10.5. Then you draw 0.5 to 5.5 is 3. One, 2, 3. Then 9, 17, 15, 16, 17. Then 19, 23, 21, 22, 23. Then last one 25. This is called cumulative frequency table. Yeah, so that is A. Now you want to do B. Okay, B1, the range is highest minus lowest. So you must use the midpoint. So the midpoint is not given, then put F. You can create your own midpoint. Midpoint is X. 1 plus 5 divided by 2. 3. Okay, so you get 3 here. Here you get 8, 13, 18, 23, 28. So it's highest 28, lowest 3, so you get 25. Then you want to find mean. Then after mean only can find variance and standard deviation. Okay, so find mean first. Because got X and F, so you must use this formula. So it's F times X, F times X. Then divide total 25. Then use calculator. Okay, 345 divided by 25. Try to simplify. 345 25. Okay, see decimal 13.8. Okay, can use 13.8. If it's very long, then use fraction. Then only find variance. Variance formula, then square, this one is outside square, not from mean. So this one square, that's why F first and then X. So just follow only square here outside. Total 25 minus this one 13.8 square, remember square. So from calculator, and press calculator, Six zero nine five ABC 25. Okay, then you minus 13.8 square, so get 53.36. If it's very long, round off to 4 decimal places, then find standard deviation, because you want to find variance. This is variance, then find standard deviation. Square root is 1. Okay, so the best is 4 decimal places, or at least 3 decimal places. Seven means 9 plus 1 become 8. Okay, this is standard deviation. Okay, number 3. Or give A. So find the mean and standard deviation of both groups. So you need to find the A group and B group for mean and standard deviation. So I find A first, group A. So I have to create the table. Okay, cumulative frequency table, because it's cumulative frequency. So we start with class interval. Then after that, you need to have midpoint, because you want to find mean and standard deviation. Then you need to have frequency also, because here from cumulative frequency only can find frequency. Then find also upper boundary, because you have upper boundary and also cumulative frequency. This one is F, this one is X. So okay, start with A, upper boundary 30.5, cumulative frequency 0, then 40.5, 50.5, 60.5, 70.5, 80.5. So 0 here is 5, so 1, 2. And here is 10, so here is 9. And here is 10, sorry, here is 9. 30.5 is 15, so he's 16, and 30.5 19, he is 20, 19. The maximum is 80.5 is 20. Then from here you need to find frequency 0, 2, then you minus, you get 7, because 7 plus 2, 2 plus 7 get 9. Then 16 minus 9 you get 7, plus add you get 17. So minus you get 3, then minus you get 1. Okay, class interval 30.5, so until 30. So here will be 31, only can get 30.5. So until 40, 41 until 50, 51 until 60, 61 until 70, 71 until 80. So here will be 21. Then you need to find mean. Mean, then standard deviation. Okay. Of fx, so midpoint, you define midpoint. Do you remember how to find midpoint? 25.5, 35.5, 45.5, 55.5, 65.5, 75.5. Mean. Okay. Variance also formula, you know. Okay, so we want to find mean now. Fx, f first one. Divide total is 20. So use calculator, you get 1050 20. Then you press. Okay. This is mean. Then you find standard deviation. Before finding standard deviation, you must find variance. Formula for this one, so use this one. That is x. Minus 52.5 square. Then from calculator, yeah, you are already exact 101. So we're going to find standard deviation 101. 10.0499 for decimal places. Then you find B. Okay. B class interval, midpoint crossover and midpoint is the same. Okay, but you have to check again, double check. Because maybe you don't need the 30.5. Okay. X, this one is F, upper boundary, cumulative frequency. So from here, we start from B 40.5. So 40.5, 50.5 until 70.5 only. Then B is here 0, here is 4, then here is 17, and here is 20. So frequency, same method. Then 40.5 is between 31 to 40 and 40.5, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, midpoint